Hey guys, welcome to another tips and tricks video for the Galaxy Note 20. This one is one of the best hidden features you can get, and that is how to text message a 4K video to anyone. And this, you can text message to an iPhone user, you can text message to whoever, you can send it on Facebook, whatever, and keep your full quality. You can send it via email. This is a really important feature that I won't rest till everyone knows about it. And make sure to give a like, thumbs up if you didn't know about it, because this will save you. All right, so first off, you need to go into settings, then you need to go to accounts and backup, and then you need to make sure you create a Samsung account. So once you go into accounts, you're going to create a Samsung account if you don't have one, and this will allow you to do this very cool thing. This is a feature that really only Samsung phones can have, so it's really important for this reason, and it's a great benefit for sure. So once you have a Samsung account, you've signed in, you all set it all up, then you get to select multiple things and text message them. So you can text message, you can send it however you want, but basically I'm going to share, and then you can scroll to find it. It's one of my recent ones right here, but you can scroll to find it, and that is link sharing. Link sharing is a service that Samsung offers. And basically what they do is they will upload your files. So those were like 4K videos, so a couple of few seconds each, you know, probably a couple 100 megabits. And basically you're going to be able to send it through any service you have on here. So if you have, you know, any kind of sending service, you have Google Voice, you have Messenger, you have a Gmail, you have WhatsApp, whatever it is, this is completely uncompressed. So this will keep your same exact quality, and you can even just copy and paste it, really simple and easy. Once you have it, then you're all set. So it's a really, really important thing just to be able to send for everything you need, and then you have that ability. So this will stay available in link sharing for 24 hours after you send it. So they can't, you know, always have it, but it's available for 24 hours. It's basically free cloud storage that's easy to send and easy to download. Once they get it, all they have to do to download it is tap the link, select the video or videos or photos. You can send over 1,000 photos this way if you want, and then download. Simple, easy, very, very important, and one of the biggest benefits you can get on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or any other Galaxy device. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.